is a quick sound test between our official JBL Charge 3 and the fake JBL Charge 3. The official one is sitting on the left, the fake is sitting on the right. Both of them are at 80% volume from the computer and full volume on the speaker itself. And here's the sound test itself, starting with the fake one. And now that same bit of sound from the official one. Now for a more bass heavy, playing back on the fake one. Now for the same bass heavy part on the real one. Notice the clicking that happens when you turn up the speaker to full volume on the fake and on the real one. Here's the fake. And here's the same track on the real one. As you can see, there is absolutely none of the clicking that the fake one has. This is a result of the fake one. Its radiator is actually touching the plastic shell over here, if you can see what I'm saying, which causes it to click, to hit it every time there's a heavy bass, as opposed to the real one, which is perfectly aligned. As you can clearly see, at the same volume on both speakers and the computer, the real one far outclasses the fake one in terms of sound quality and volume. I definitely would recommend not getting a fake one. More details are in the video description.